Bangalore 2025, and we are having Mr. Gaurav Kochar, sales manager from FIMER with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about this product.
So, for about this product, this is a PVS 100 kilowatt flagship inverters. That the main important new thing is that this inverter is also start manufacturing in India. We have already started the manufacturing unit for PVS 100 kilowatt. As from the technical experts, it's a 6 MPPT inverter, and with the per MPPT 4 string is there, so 24 number of strings that can be connected with this PVS 100 kilowatt inverter. It is inbuilt string monitoring feature is available. DC side, AC side, ASPDs protections feature is there. So this is a new flagship inverter from Make in India product. Thank you.